A person's motivation is the driving force behind their thoughts, actions, and behavior. It encompasses the reasons, desires, and goals that propel individuals to act in certain ways and pursue specific outcomes. Motivation can be influenced by a variety of factors, including personal values, needs, aspirations, and external incentives. At its core, motivation is the inner spark that pushes individuals to take action and strive towards their objectives. It can be categorized into two main types: intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation arises from internal factors, such as personal enjoyment, curiosity, or a sense of fulfillment derived from the activity itself. On the other hand, extrinsic motivation stems from external factors like rewards, recognition, or pressure from others. Understanding a person's motivation involves delving into their underlying desires and goals. Some common motivations include the pursuit of success, achievement, personal growth, connection with others, autonomy, and contribution to a greater cause. These motivations can vary greatly from person to person, as individuals have unique values, interests, and life experiences that shape their aspirations. Motivation can fluctuate over time and may be influenced by various factors, such as changes in circumstances, setbacks, or shifts in priorities. It is a dynamic force that can be nurtured and cultivated through self-reflection, goal-setting, and aligning one's actions with their values and aspirations. Additionally, understanding the motivations of others can be valuable in various contexts, including leadership, teamwork, and relationship building. Recognizing and respecting different motivations can foster empathy, collaboration, and effective communication, ultimately leading to more productive and harmonious interactions. In summary, a person's motivation is the internal drive that compels them to take action and pursue their goals. It can be influenced by a range of factors and can be intrinsic or extrinsic in nature. Understanding and aligning with one's motivations can lead to greater fulfillment, while recognizing the motivations of others promotes empathy and effective collaboration. The person who never stops being strong is a remarkable individual characterized by resilience, perseverance, and an unwavering inner strength. They possess a steadfast determination that enables them to face challenges, adversity, and obstacles with courage and resilience, never succumbing to despair or giving up. This person's strength emanates from their deep-rooted belief in their own abilities and their ability to endure and overcome difficult situations. They possess a strong sense of self, which allows them to maintain their composure and resolve even in the face of immense pressure or setbacks. The person who never stops being strong is not devoid of vulnerability or hardship. They experience pain, heartbreak, and setbacks like anyone else, but what sets them apart is their ability to rise above these circumstances. They possess a remarkable capacity to learn from their experiences, adapt to change, and find meaning and growth in the face of adversity. This person's strength is not solely an internal trait but is also evident in their interactions with others. They often serve as a pillar of support for those around them, offering encouragement, guidance, and inspiration. Their unwavering strength and resilience can serve as a source of motivation and empowerment for others, instilling hope and the belief that they too can overcome challenges. The person who never stops being strong is not immune to fear or doubt, but they have developed the ability to confront and navigate these emotions constructively. They understand that strength is not merely a physical attribute but is rooted in emotional and mental fortitude. Ultimately, the person who never stops being strong exemplifies the power of the human spirit. They inspire others through their actions, demonstrating that strength is not just about muscle or physical prowess but is a testament to the indomitable will and determination that resides within each of us. Their journey serves as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, it is possible to persevere, grow, and emerge stronger than ever.